Lady. That's the name of that boat, Louisiana Lady. I didn't even see what our boat name was. Nobody is going to Port Orleans, French Quarter, so we're going to go straight to Disney Springs. But this would have been the port to get off. No, Mom, it's Port Orleans, French Quarter. That's the float. See the float with the king on it? With the dragon?
Yeah, I saw that last night.
Yeah. Yeah, the house on Woodland Street.
Yeah. Apartment king or whatever. He's got all these fancy cars. Sure, you never, he probably has money.
That's Sasagula Sunset.
What's that?
Sasagula Sunset is the name of that one.
Once you start making people money, just call it right there. They got one for you. We got instead of going to the raise collateral.
I think it's only nice. Now here's the dock if you were going to the tree houses. That's a tree house right here. It's a 1 bedroom. May have 2, but I'm not sure. But I know it's a 1 bedroom. And it's a boat dock. There you can go to Disney Springs.
But it's, a lot of fair play with him all the time.
So if you go that way, it's going to be Old Key West. Disney's Old Key West. We're heading to, that's a treehouse right there. It's a golf course, but I'm unfamiliar with this, but it could be Saratoga Resort, since we're so close to Disney Springs. So tonight, well, this evening at 4 o'clock, Mom, this is where we're staying tonight after 4 o'clock, and this is our resort. This is how big it is. Yes, this is the beginning of it. It goes all the way to downtown Disney. That's how big this resort is. So I don't know how many acres this resort is, but it's huge. It's going to take us at least 5 to 6, maybe even 10 minutes to get to the dock. Now we're not going directly to Sarasota. We have to stop at Disney Springs. You can either get on a bus from Disney Springs, take the ferry boat across the lagoon, or you can walk. It just takes you a little bit longer. But that's the resort we're going to be checking in at 4 o'clock. We're going to stay here until Sunday. We're staying here exactly 8 days. We did a timeshare transfer from Minnable. We paid $190 for taxes and maintenance fees. I guess that's including the housekeeping. But that's it. We're gonna have another video soon. That hot air balloon is Disney Springs. Alright, that's our hotel we're gonna be at. That's Disney Springs, so that's the Rainforest Cafe. And then Boathouse, the hot air balloon, Circus Olena Nuba, House of Blues. I've never really done this before, but it's pretty cool. That's going to be their boat dock. It's going to be between Sarasota and Disney Springs. So we're going to just hop on the dock and go straight into Sarasota. So it doesn't look like you have to get on a boat from Disney Springs to Sarasota. Unless you want to because you're lazy and you can't walk.
Forget that place we were eating in there.
Cute. Thank you. It's the same color as your fingers and your toes. I did pink just like you. See, we're twins. We're twins. We're matching, yeah. Dad doesn't have any nail polish on. We'll have to get some for him, okay?